Hey yo, what is going on, guys? It's me, and you guys know me. And all of you here who are new, my name is Hamdan Scorpion. And there is Abdullah, hashtag Sub-Zero. Yeah. We are just guys. I just defeated the handsome Scorpion. I don't know why he was in the diamond pack and he was in a golden pack, but I don't know why they are putting him in golden pack. I seen the packs, but he was in golden.
No, he was in purple.
Yeah, he was in purple, but in the packs,
He's
it was
golden.
gold.
Yeah, for all of the boss, it's like purple, right?
Yeah.
Guys, actually, Mortal Kombat X is kind of weird, but it is the best game.
Yeah.
But my favorite game,
Guys, but my favorite game, it is Real Steel WRB, World Wrestling Bot. It's bot.
okay, guys, right now I'm in my playroom.
Yeah, these are our sisters. Look at them playing just there.
Fatima and Rida. Hey, Fatima and Rida, what are you doing?
We're playing. We're playing.
Can I open this DIY thingy?
Okay.
I want to see what's inside. Whoa, those are a lot of Lego Duplos.
Yeah, we can make something. But I'm here.
Gonna open the door. Hope my father's not outside, guys. Peek. Guys, you can peek. Oh, my father's outside. So, I just saw in the camera.
We were just in the contract of saying to him that they might cannot hold the video. So his dad said we can't let him to play with your friends.
Yeah, and I don't know much, guys, but this is gonna be cool, kind of. I mean, like, guys, see, my sisters are playing. We have a fresh view outside. If you haven't seen Abu Dhabi. So,
Yeah, we are in Badba. You can see this view.
not all Wadba. We're in, like, Askaria East. See, guys. This is the terrace of the neighbors. You can just see the door of the neighbors. This is all not my house. That's the owner's house, actually.
And you can see my house too, if you want to come upstairs.
Hey guys, let me turn the camera. That is the garden over there.
Yeah, we are building it now, dude.
And right now, it's not getting water because it's not the time for getting hungry. That means
Your father too. You can please don't know.
you didn't ask. The door is not open. But it would make sound if you open it. Duh.
Then I will close it.
Guys, do you want to see more of our house? Dude, I can show you a world tour of our house.
Yeah, come to my house.
Yes, let me just show you my house. Open the door up to my father does not care. I can't talk my mother or my father. Right now we are doing a tour of my house. That was the living room. This is my mother's and my father's bedroom. And over here, sometimes when my sister is scared, she just comes and sleeps over here.
And then
Because of her, I get scared in my room, so I just come, lay the, mattress and sleep.
and this is Hamdan and Rida's room.
Yeah,
And these are my magic cards I use them.
yeah. But
You see that guy, Blackie?
no, I mean, like, I kept it right on the sofa, but Rita kept it somewhere else.
No, Rita.
Yeah, guys, Rita is so naughty. Okay, this is the second view, guys. You can get this view. Oh my god, it's too sunny outside.
Yeah, we can't show you opening the window. There's someone. He's talking.
On the phone, but he's not the actor. He's smoking. Guys, do you see it? I mean, do you see the road? The desert UAE. I think you can see. Right now, I'm turning the camera to my side. Oh shit! I hate these locks. Oh,
Let me do it, man.
I got this. Okay, it's locked. Let's mother. Okay, let's go upstairs and check out Abdullah's house.
Not go fast.
Guys, I almost just fell and cracked my phone over there.
Okay.
It's kind of loud. This is Abdullah's house. That's a weird camera. That's Abdullah's playroom. Slash is his mother's trampoline. Your mother's face is not coming on the camera. Shahir is sleeping. I really wanted to show you Shahir.
This is my kitchen.
Okay, that is
There is my brother sleeping in.
and that's his bedroom. And over there is the washroom. For sure. There's one more bedroom.
No, it's not a bedroom. It's a family room.
It's a boys' living room.
Yeah. And come on.
And that is the girls' living room right here. One more bathroom.
Come on, do the surprise.
Guys, be sure to not close this door too hardly because you would get trapped. Oh my god, it's too sunny out here. I can't see what's
See here.
getting
We have a
vlogged in the
rooftop
phone.
too. See the ladder.
Yeah, rooftop. There's a rooftop over there, but it's too dark that I can't see in the phone.
Okay, I will go upstairs.
Yeah, you can climb it, but your mother, she's right there, so she's just treadmilling.
3 times I just go there.
Yeah, but I went the full height.
Yeah, I too.
Guys, comment down below what you see inside.
Let me see.
Give.
Wow, I can see your head.
Shit. Okay, Abdullah, give me that thingy. We are in the dark, so now I can see much in the phone. Okay, guys, once again, this is a boys' meeting room. Oh, dude, that scared me. Oh, we should see from here. Guys, you see some bat symbol? You see that bat symbol? Like thingy?
Yes, let me hold.
And if you see in this bat symbol, you would just see the normal stuff.
If you can see me.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, guys.
See, guys, he's right there.
Yeah. And you check.
Guys, let me see.
Oh, Abdullah. It's looking like the glass is right here, but it's right there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Oh my
that's how
God.
we crush it.
Okay, guys, we ain't here to break anything. Well, we will show you one more terrace, but we want to show you how much cute is Shahir. Okay, it's too dark. Oh, it's right there. So I want to show you how does Shahir look like. This is the first vlog of Okay, guys, that was a weird trip over there, but now let's open this door. Oh, dude, it's this is locked. Okay, let me just spin the key. Sorry about the tree. Okay, so
Yeah, we should do it like this and take it out. I think so it's open.
hold on. Guys, one more. Really bright.
Let me do it like this.
No, I should see it from here. Dude. Okay, this is darker enough so that I can see.
There's another one right here.
Abdullah, where's your camera?
Rooftop. We can see the rooftop.
Yeah, guys, see. How is the? Wait, guys, that's the other rooftop, right?
And you see here, it's our balcony, another balcony.
Oh yeah, there are three balconies.
Yeah. And we have two rooftops. That's weird.
Wait.
Come on.
Wait, this connects from here. Oh.
Yeah.
I know how to get to that rooftop.
Yeah, by the ladder.
Not by the ladder, dude.
My ball is stuck there, and you can see it.
Ball, not ball.
It's a ball. Up there.
Abdullah,
Oh, somebody take it out. Yes, thank you.
guys, see this?
See, so who write this? See, I love you, my dad.
Papa. It's written Papa. Guys, from this Longwood, we can travel right to that rooftop.
Yeah.
So, guys, I don't know pretty much what to do, but please leave a like and subscribe. Please, I know
We
there
don't
are
have any.
subscribers,
Yeah.
but we just have 2 subscribers.
Only they give us 2 subscribe, and some have 1 million or 2 million.
Yeah, guys, we're not happy with that.
Yeah.
We need more. We need to rock more.
Yeah, we need so much. Now we should show you the ground.
Guys, if you subscribe to my channel, our videos, and my channel, you would get a merchandise that I'm gonna make if you subscribe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it by my hand, but even I'm gonna give my merch poster. It's gonna be so cool, guys. You might not believe it. Oh my goodness, you would be like, what? This is the best merch I've ever seen. Guys, forget about Chadwell Clay and everyone.
Oh, my baby.
So, I'm just looking at the phone right now. Hey, Shahid. Shahid, this is your first vlog ever. He's like, nope, I don't want to make this vlog. Hey, what are you doing out here?
I'm playing.
Oh,
Open.
old-fashioned days to dry clothes. Guys, we are Muslims, so don't care about the words we are saying. Or if you guys are Muslims, I would give you a free merch. And please do sure to put a comment, please, and please subscribe. Peace out.